Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos out of tortillas. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your favorite tortilla chips evenly across a baking sheet. Next, shred about 8 ounces of cheese, like a sharp cheddar or a creamy Monterey Jack. If you're adding meat, prepare 1 pound of seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken now. Also, chop any fresh toppings you plan to use, such as jalapenos or onions. Now it's time to build your nachos. Begin by sprinkling half of your shredded cheese evenly over the layer of tortilla chips. This initial layer helps create a good base. Next, add your prepared meat topping, making sure it's distributed well so every chip gets some. Then, cover everything with the remaining half of your shredded cheese. For an extra touch, you might also add a layer of black beans or corn at this stage. Once your nachos are assembled, place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake them for about 8 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven. Now for the fun part. Garnish your nachos with fresh toppings like chopped cilantro, diced tomatoes, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve them immediately while they are warm and the cheese is wonderfully gooey. Nachos are incredibly versatile, so don't be afraid to get creative. Try experimenting with different cheese blends, perhaps a spicy pepper jack or a smoky Gouda for a unique flavor. You can also add a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, olives, or roasted corn. For an even better experience, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Finally, serve your delicious nachos with your favorite sides, such as fresh guacamole, a vibrant salsa, or a zesty lime crema for dipping. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.